In this tutorial you are going to learn how to resize a video in Elementor. First, edit the page with Elementor on which you have the video that you want to resize. Once Elementor is active on the page, click on the Edit section icon of the section that has the video. The section settings will display on the left-hand side Elementor panel. Here, make sure that Boxed is selected in the Content Width field. Now, adjust the slider below the Content Width field to resize the section along with the video. And that's it. That is how you can resize a video in Elementor. Okay. Now that you know how to resize a video in Elementor, do you want to know about the cheapest tools to build and run a website? I have created Website Builder's Toolbox that will give you this list of cheap tools. Click the link below this video to get the Website Builder's Toolbox. And, if you like this tutorial, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get more tutorials like this.